Welcome to Discover Your Spiritual Gifts, a sacred space that empowers you with practical tools for transformation. Here, you are seen, you are welcomed, you are home. Our community is warm, inclusive, and heart-centered. People describe us as a portal of light, a magical place where awakening begins. We offer inspiring classes that activate your spiritual gifts. Sound healing, Reiki, psychic development, Angelic Reiki, fun spiritual play shops, intention candles, Akashic records, priesthood, warriors, and alchemy. Our teachings are experiential, joyful, and deeply aligned. Here, learning becomes a spiritual retreat of discovery. You'll also find gifted psychics, mediums, healers, and practitioners offering intuitive readings, energy work, and spiritual guidance. Our sound baths are legendary in Denver, deeply immersive, soothing, and transformational. And our community, it's everything. A place where friendships form, hearts open, and lives change. Whether you're beginning your spiritual journey or deepening your mastery, you'll find a class, a teacher, a practitioner, an experience that transforms you. This is your invitation to explore, to grow, to discover your magic. Are you ready to expand into your highest potential? Are you ready to step into a magical, supportive community? Come visit us. Come experience the transformation for yourself. Discover your spiritual gifts, a sacred space for learning, healing, and awakening, and where you become the magical creator of your life.